Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Cooking with Lori. And today, I want to prepare the copycat corn salad of Chipotle. You love Chipotle like I do, you're going to love this corn salad. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare this delicious and amazing corn salad, copycat of Chipotle restaurant, these are my few ingredients: salt, black pepper, a bunch of cilantro, half an onion, limes, 3 jalapeños, corn. This is everything you need to enjoy a delicious corn salad, copycat of Chipotle restaurant. So let's get started. Of course, I want to start here first with my limes. Of course, you could use yellow lemons, whatever you have at home. But let me tell you, this corn salad goes with everything. Of course, you can make it, add it into a burrito of carne asada, a burrito of chicken. It could be a side dish for carne asada. It has so many ways that you could enjoy this amazing and delicious corn salad. I love it, adding it on top of lettuce and then adding shredded chicken right on the top. And of course, the corn salad. Well, here, do not omit the jalapeños. Be very careful when you're taking the skin off the jalapeños so you don't remove all the seeds and all the veins. So your jalapeno is not going to be spicy at all. Once you remove all the jalapeno pulp, let me show you. You're going to slice it nice and thin, really nice and thin. This is going to assure that all those flavors of the jalapeno are going to be throughout this corn salad. Look at this. Let me tell you, once you make this corn salad at home, you're really going to enjoy it. It's a very refreshing and delicious corn salad. And of course, I'm going to chop away and get it nice and chopped in many little pieces. Look at this. Once this is done, we're going to continue with the rest of the ingredients. Yes, this is going to take time because there's a lot of preparing. I have half a purple onion that I'm going to slice nice and thin, and then I'm going to chop in small little pieces. Yes, it's a lot of chopping, but let me tell you, this salad really comes out delicious. Remember, this is a copycat of El Chipotle restaurant. Who doesn't love to eat Chipotle restaurant? I really do love going and having a delicious burrito with everything in there. Well, here, once you have your onion nice and chopped, we're going to transfer it to a plate. I'm going to continue with the cilantro. I have one whole bunch of cilantro, which I disinfected and rinsed very well through running water. And now I'm just going to chop away so that it really incorporates with the rest of the ingredients. Look at this. Here in a bowl, I'm going to start getting all the kernels from the corn. Look at this. This is going to ensure that the corn doesn't go everywhere in my kitchen. So that's why I got a bowl to make it easier for myself. I'm going to continue getting all the kernels out, and then I'll show you when I am completely done. Let me tell you, it takes time, but this salad is going to be so refreshing and so delicious. Now that I have all my ingredients chopped, I have the jalapeno, the onion, the cilantro, almost 1 cup of lemon juice, salt and black pepper to taste, and of course, the corn. Now we're going to go ahead and start adding everything into a bowl. There's no need to cook the corn. The corn was nice and juicy, and it's nice and sweet. So once you add your lemon, your black pepper, and your salt, the corn is going to have started absorbing the flavors. So I'm going to incorporate everything really good. Once it's nice and incorporated, I am going to continue by adding the chopped jalapeno, the onion nice and chopped, and of course, the cilantro. Very earthy flavors and flavors that I know you guys are going to love. Look at this. All those beautiful colors come into this amazing corn salad. And now I am ready to incorporate. Be very careful so it doesn't go everywhere on your counter. So take your time when you are incorporating all these little veggies into the corn. I'm going to help myself by sliding the bowl and then with the other hand just mixing away. Once this is done, I am ready to prepare the presentation plate. Of course, being very generous with all that filling. Look at this. You could see all those amazing colors throughout the corn, and that's exactly how you want to enjoy it. Like, subscribe, and share. I am ready to taste this amazing corn salad, Copycat of El Chipotle restaurant. Let's see how this came out. Excuse me. Mmm, mmm, so delicious. Just amazing. Friends, I am completely done with this Copycat corn salad from Chipotle restaurant. If you liked and love this amazing recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying this sweet, delicious, and refreshing corn salad from El Chipotle restaurant. See you soon. Bye-bye.